Hi, Craig Koss here with Lake Havasu City Properties. I'm standing here in front of the world famous London Bridge in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. Today, I am so excited to bring to you my latest listing at 2875 Bamboo Drive. This is your golden opportunity to own this unique property. A 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home with a den and a resort-style backyard on 0.82 acres in the middle of town. And the best part, a panoramic view of our beautiful lake. Let's go take a look. Thank you for viewing 2875 Bamboo Drive with me today. If you have any questions about this home or any other properties for sale in Lake Havasu City, Arizona, give me a call, 928-706-2829. And as always, have a great rest of your day.